Okay, so hello guys, today we have a different car. We're gonna fix this BMW X5. This is the owner of the car.
Hello.
So we have this 2003 or 4? 2004 X5. We're gonna fix many problems because the owner doesn't know what to see when he buys a car. Never mind. Yeah, let's see the parts for today. So that's the radio. We won't be doing it today. Maybe we're gonna fix the rear door. You can see we don't have the button for the window and it's not going down. We have this screwdriver to hold it, and the other door can be opened. So we have to fix them first because they're more important, and later we can continue with the radio and the rear view camera. Okay, so yeah, that's the radio. Let's see the door panel. Okay, so that's the door panel. Actually, it's not that bad. It's a bit dirty, but anyway.
Second hand.
Yeah, for brand new second hand. We can clean it. What else do we have? Where is the door hatch? Okay, so that's the door handle. Oh, be careful,
One
please.
of the main problems with this BMW is the door handle. Some people
Just break
don't
it.
know
How to open.
It's open upwards.
Yeah, you should open like that. And if you break it, that's the result. But I think it's just not connected. Maybe we should check first if inside there is some kind of problem. Maybe it can be disconnected. But let's see, one by one. Not good, not good. Anyway, it can be fixed. Okay, little bit.
Making progress.
Step by step. Okay, one by one.
Hold for a second.
Okay. We don't want to break it. Okay.
Good.
Okay.
Perfect.
One door panel. Yes.
It only took 15 minutes.
Only.
So you can see, although it's a pretty old car, it's all preserved and
Anyway, we're gonna test
looking good.
We're gonna test the speaker.
The new one.
Okay. Anyway, no need to change. No need to change. So we have to fix that one up there. This one, the black on the top, is 53,000. So this one is all broken. Pull the handle. See? Nothing happens. Okay, we're good. One door handle less, and you can enjoy the book. Okay, explain me.
So basically we're fucked up.
No, we are not fucked up. We should remove this one, the big one, as I told you. And okay, so we already removed that. We have to take it out like that, and that's the whole door handle. Up. We don't need to remove this one. We have to change this one. Any difference? Yeah, seems okay. Okay. If you pull the door very hard, with the time it just can slip away from this part, from this spring, and it should stay like this. See? Over the time, when you pull very hard, it just slips away.
Progress here.
We have a progress. We have this inside already. Outside. We're good. We have a little problems with this one, but anyway, we figured it out. Okay, so how do you feel? Exhausted? Why? Is there any reason to feel exhausted? See, that's the problem. We can't push this down. This one. It has to go like this and just press on it, but it can be done. Huh? Yeah.
May I help?
Yeah.
We've done some progress.
The moment of truth.
Let's hope for the best.
Okay, let's see. Not too far. Okay. So that's for today. We finished the door panel. As you can see.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy.
One eternity later.
Okay, I don't know what exactly happened, but somehow we managed to fix it.
4 hours in.
Okay, we good. We were stuck. We locked the door. We don't know how, but anyway, it's fixed. We just have to put everything back together. Oh yes. Oh. So guys, we finished the door panel. We're gonna wrap these panels with carbon wrap, and after they're ready, we're gonna put them on the door. That's for today. The car is good. It's closing. It's opening without any problems. It's already fixed. We're gonna move to the next problems of the car, so that's for today.